We're going back to the basics of where cooks are actually cooking products and preparing recipes from scratch. And we have a team of cooks of 16 from Cabell County schools that are doing the training. And we go through different recipes every 15 minutes.
I see the importance of our nutrition programs in our schools. Not only does it feed the body and it feeds the mind, it also feeds the heart and the soul. When I heard that this program was going on, I thought I need to come see what's going on. And I had heard such marvelous things about the Cabell County programs. I thought this is the time to go.
When it first started rolling, they didn't really accept the food. I mean, we would see more go into the trash than what the kids were actually eating. But once they started realizing we're not going back to the other aspect of it, we're not going back to the processed foods, they've kind of taken it on and they eat more now. And there's some things like we have a chicken chimichanga that the kids love. They love our salad bar. They're finding other options as to the processed food that they're so accustomed to that, hey, you know what, this really does taste good.
We had a state superintendent of schools that came down and ate lunch with us one day. This food is delicious in Cabell County. Why can't it be that way statewide? Then we were asked if we could do the training and share our recipes with the other cooks. So that's how this began, and we've been doing this for 5 or 6 years.
It's better self-esteem, they're healthier, they're more active, they're not just, processed foods make you tired. All you want to do is sleep after you've had all the grease and the garbage put into your body. And I can testify for that firsthand. I used to weigh 265 pounds. And once I started eating healthier and exercising and moving, I lost weight, I lift weights, and I do all that stuff now. But you can see it in the kids. There's more kids going out for sports, there's more kids being more active.
I'd like to think that others across the state would see how it can be done. And cooking is work, planning these menus, it's all work. But you can do it in ways, and I think they're masterminding it here.
It's very humbling that they look to us as the mentor of the whole, as the state, as the scratch cooking. It's very humbling for us. It's kind of like a pat on the back, hey, you guys are doing a good job.
We hope that they can take those recipes back to their county, and the cooks that receive the scratch training can do a staff development training just like this with their staff, and scratch training of fixing school meals can be spread across the state pretty rapidly.
With these cooks going all throughout the county, it would be a whole lot easier for the whole state to be able to maybe start the initiative, trickle down from this school to this school to this school to trickle down to home.